Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Squeeze the tabs and pull the connector to disconnect it. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Disconnect the wires by pulling them out. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb. Make sure that any wires that have become disconnected are replaced.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. You may need to use some force to get the bulb housing back in place. You should hear it connect to the vehicle.
Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.